Hey guys, Rock here with Fishing Noob. Today in my first video, I'm going to be attempting to spool a new to me Baitcaster. I've used spinning reels almost my whole life. Never really even thought about using a Baitcaster or what it'd be used like, but I had someone gift me this Abu Garcia Black Max, and of course they gave it to me bare, no string, nothing like that. I just have it on a very generic pop-out pole. For those that care, it's a 6 foot 6 inch. It's a medium action pole. I've been told it's not the best, but hey, it was in my budget at the time, and I've been fishing with it since, so I love it. So today, I'm gonna try to spool this. Never actually spooled a line before. I haven't been fishing in, oh geez, like actually fishing in probably 12 years. I always used to just go with my dad, and he did everything for me. He never really actually taught me how to do much, so this is my first attempt at actually trying to fish myself. I went cheap, just ran over to Walmart, grabbed some stuff. That's what I ended up getting. I know you probably can't read it, but it's spider wire, easy mono. It's a 12-pound line. Talked to a few buddies, and they said this is kind of a good weight to go for just kind of all-around generic fishing. Kind of show you what I'm working with. I don't have anyone here to help me spool this, so I played around on YouTube and found a couple ideas. Anyways, so this is what I got right here. I took a box, long screwdriver, popped a hole in it. So when you're doing this, put your spool over that, and you got yourself just a little bit of a holder. Kind of nifty, right? And for those who can't guess, I'm recording on my phone, and I have no idea how to work it. So I'm using the front-facing camera for everything. Anyways, let's see if we can get this thing started. I'm told I'm supposed to do what's called an arbor knot to get this line set on the reel. Being me, I had no idea how to do that, so good old internet came in very handy for me. See how well I learned. Get myself a line. Let's see if I can adjust this so y'all can see what I'm doing. So you can tell how big of an idiot I am. It'd be easier if I did this off the reel. Let's try it off the reel, see if this does any better. See, I've already got a bird's nest inside my little box here. Alright. So far, so good. Alright, moment of truth. Let's see if I actually learned anything. First thing I do is not lose the line. First thing, tie a knot there. Take this line, but snug that down. Alright. Now, supposedly, oh yeah, look at that. It's slipping just like it's supposed to. I might have done something right. Cinch that down. I think like that. Yeah. Apparently don't pull on that little loose one. Okay. Snip that excess. Okay. Supposedly, that's all it takes. Alright, now the fun part. already got a little bit of a bird's nest down in my box. Let's see if I can line this back up a little bit. Nope, I'm just making this mess. I suppose it's easier to do with friends. I don't have friends, so I have a box. That box is gonna have to do because it's all I got. Okay. Got through there. Let's get back on the pole for this. Since I don't have a friend, I gotta use my hand to keep it tight. Okay. And just slowly start pulling. Stop right there. Probably do a little bit more, but it's a decent amount on there. Snip that line. And then use a little weight just to stop it from unraveling. While I figure out where I want to put on there. So yeah, it's gonna be my real setup for now. Looks like a decent amount of line on there. I know probably the first few times I'm gonna lose a lot of it because I guess there's a pretty big learning curve on these things. But yeah, next video I'll be out fishing this on a small local pond. See if we can catch ourselves some fish. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments. I mean, as you can tell, I am very new to this. If you have any suggestions on lures or baits or methods for casting, locations to try fishing, or anything that you think will help me out, please leave comments in the suggestions. I know this is a new channel as well, but please hit the subscribe and the notification bell, because the more people that subscribe, I know either want to laugh at me more or they're in the same position as me and they're trying to learn as well. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Until next time.